Hey YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and we are coming right back at you with a very, very special sneaker unboxing. Those of you who've read the title know exactly what shoes these are. I am beyond. Whatever's beyond, I'm beyond that, but I'm beyond excited for those. We've got them here. Yes, we have, people. We've got them here. But as you can see, they're in this brown box, and they've actually been taped up really, really well from Attitude. So I'm going to speed up about now. Right, we're back. So we've got the 12. It's not the Unbleached Dunk High. This is the LHR to SFO and Back 1 of 1 custom, the Attitudei 12. It's coming at you. I haven't looked at these in hand yet. Oh my god, these looks. All right. Oh my word. Right, so we've got the London shoe. Lots of you seen these already in pictures, but in how has he done this? Right. That is special. SJ, right, we're gonna have to go to this camera. Can we go over there? That's the wrong camera, SJ. See? Oh my god, people. So there we go. This is the London shoe. This is the LHR shoe. This is the Heathrow shoe. Why is it the Heathrow? Oh my god. The tongue tab's amazing. First of all, so it's the Unbleached pack. These obviously Attitude came up with the concept of creating 12 custom shoes. They could have done them themselves, but they got people from the community to create a story, to create a shoe that they really want. Oh, right, just have a look. Oh my god. So what we've got is I don't know where to begin. Right, I'm gonna get the other one out. Oh my god. Oh. Right, there we go. So I'm gonna I can't do it. There's California. Oh, let's put the luggage label down. Luggage label. There was a detail you didn't know was going to be there. So, spin that round. Oh, they look so good. They feel lovely. Oh my god, SJ, right, we're going to go to this camera, can we? So this is the SFO, San Francisco, California shoe, whatever you want to call it. And so SJ's just going to show you that now, because I'm lost for words. I am absolutely lost for words on these. These have gone beyond my expectation. The mad professor, the big professor, whatever you want to call him, is gone and blown my mind. And I'm going to tell you the story of these in a moment, but we're going to come back to the middle, because what I want to do is I want to show you. So there they are, sort of together, but before we go and talk you through the story, oh, the tongue is amazing. I want to show you, I'm going to show you the original shoe, because we kept some of the original shoe, but it's worth seeing the original. So there's the original Dunk, and I got 2 pairs of these because I loved them so much. And there's original. So that's what it was. That's what it became. Oh my word. So we've got they are known as the LHR to SFO 1 of 1 custom for the Attitudei Inc 12, although there's now a lucky 13. We how to start, right? So SJ, who's behind the camera, say hello, SJ.
Hi.
She's behind the camera. We moved to California back in 2015, and actually Northern California, to the Bay Area, and SFO. So San Francisco. That's what San Francisco Airport is. LHR is Heathrow. We left London behind. And we packed up everything, we sold everything, and we went to California, never thinking we were going to come back. That was it. That was the dream. That was the dream. And I'm going to take you the California shoot because there's tings on here. So we landed November 2015 and we landed quite late. Took a long time to actually get the dog out of customs, but that's a whole other story. If you want to join me for a pint one time, I'll explain what a stressful situation that was. But we, the morning, the jet lag set in the next day, and I took a picture of the sunrise. And these colours were taken actually from the sunrise. So our first sunrise in California, this shoe represents that. And my word, he's managed to repaint that swoosh so well. And so we've got, and if you've ever been to California, you know that they do sunsets and sunrises really well, and they're always super vibrant. And so we have the Cali shoe. And what you also have, and actually, why don't we go over to that camera, SJ, because I'm struggling, my arms are killing me. If we look at it, right, we've got the bear, which is on the California flag, and it's there on the heel, just to remind me. I'll come back to some further details on it. SJ's telling me to lower it. I'll come back to some further details. So we were there in 2015, we moved there, all was good. But then, SFO to LHR, to Heathrow, we came back, and we moved back. And what we have here is a representation of London. And I'm going to come in, and what you can see is you've got the grey of the London skyline. You've got the red there of London buses and letterboxes. And if I come in, you've got here the yellow there. That's the dirty sandstone of many of the buildings in central London. And of course, though, on the heel, we have got a badass raven to represent the Tower of London. Now, you can see the colours flow through onto the tongue here. Now, the thing is, we came back in 2017. We moved there in 2015. We then spent the next two and a bit years actually flying backwards and forwards to the point where I felt like I was in airports more than anything else. I probably spent more hours at LHR and SFO than I did in the GU Massive. And so we've got on the tongue tab there, and if I bring that in, you'll see as well the sort of the leather bag that I might have been traveling with, and the luggage, the left luggage sign, just in case you lost something. And then just as a reminder, we will come back to you. Oh, it's so good. So good. It's just the airport symbol. Now there's a little bit of trickery in here. It is departures and arrivals. Somewhat, although that would be the airplane doing that, SJ. But the other thing we've got as well is, because I spent so long in the airport, we also have a little reminder here of how this competition came about, or how the 12 came about. There's a little Attitudei luggage tag there. We also wanted to keep the front of the shoe, as you can see there, in its raw state, because I'm pretty sure there's many more stories that Nike SB are going to tell. Now I'm going to come in really close. Actually, why don't we go to that camera? Can we go to this camera? Right. I don't know if you can see that in the line there. SJ, can you just hold that for me for a moment? I'm going to try and turn the light. You can just see the stitching there through the midsole. That's actually purple. Now, you're going to ask me, and it's a very particular shade of purple, but you're going to ask me, why purple? Why purple, Mr. B? It's the purple of Virgin Atlantic. So everyone thinks the Virgin Atlantic is red. Actually, you spend time in the lounges, you spend time on the planes, and they use purple on everything, or they did. They might have changed. I haven't been on a Virgin plane since 2020, clearly, like many people. And then finally, the thing that I probably wanted to say as well, look at the colours, SJ. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that absolutely crazy? Like look, and if you really want to, if you're short, if you're like, your eyes are a bit bad like mine, if I take my glasses off and I look through this section here, the way the material is, That's sort of like how the light catches clouds in the morning. And it's like, it is absolutely insane. But we've got the purple here. Now, the final thing that SJ, why don't we go to the middle? Why don't we go to the middle? Because one of the things that we wanted to put in these, and I'm going to just loosen the laces, is we were going to put purple laces in. And so I have got flat laces, and I've got SB roundish laces. Now I picked these up from Sneaker Science. These are the longer ones, so they should fit. What do we think? The flat purple, I'm going to come in close, from Sneaker Science. The flat purple there, I think these are actually designed for Jordan 1s. Or the round purple, the dark purple, which is hard to see in this light. If we actually put them together, what do we think? What do we think, SJ? What do we think?
The flat purple are closer to the actual.
I think they are, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're closer to that. My word. So the professor who made these, he's done 12 pairs. 12 pairs, 12 customs. Like, customs are one of ones. Can you imagine turning your custom nurse, and it's only really him and some support that he got from special people. He turned out 12 of these. Now, what do you think? Now, I want to know, people, what's your favourite? London, SFO. They look different under the lights. Different. Oh, they're so good. So good. And so let me know in the comments below, what do you think? And I love the tongue on them. Right, I've got to loosen the laces so you can see that the fade has gone through. Can you see under there? Like, the fade has gone through the tongue so well, so well. And if we take the other one as well, everyone, we're going to take the other one, and I'm going to undo it so you can see. Oh my God, it's just mind blowing. Absolutely mind blowing. I love that I've got a little leather ting just stitched in there. Look on the inside. It's just insane. Absolutely insane. So good. I'm so glad that we kept that front bit raw, SJ. So good. If you're new around here and you don't know what we do tend to do these sneaker unboxings. I can't believe this is what it came from. We do these sneaker unboxings. We stream every Sunday night, sneaker streaming Sundays at 8 PM UK time. That's 12 PM on the West Coast, 3 PM on the East Coast. I should know how to say that by now. But the thing is, this is really part one of a video, because in the next video, we are going to be talking with the professor, the man himself. Loves sneakers, hates sneakerheads apparently. We're going to be talking to him, and we're going to ask him, like, literally, okay, so how hard was this? I think it was hard, because this is the one that was like, I'm not sure. But we're going to find out, what did he do? What did he learn? Like, because the original design that we were going to come up with, everyone, was sort of grey. But then we sat on a Zoom call with him, and like literally he was like, well, you know, we can dip dye. And I was like, okay, we're dip dyeing. And then I was like, okay, we've done a thing. What do you think of that? And he was like, yeah, we can do that. We can do that. And I suspect inside he's just like, how the hell am I going to do that? But, so good. So look out for part 2. I am going to be incredibly excited to talk to him about how he's done this, how to look after them. And what do you think, people? What do you think? If you got a favorite, let us know in the comments. And of course, it would be remiss of me to say, don't forget to go and look at one of those other videos that Google does the thing. And a big, massive thank you to all our channel members. You really help us on the channel. You help keep me doing the things, make sure that our equipment is still actually functioning. And yes, we will see you in the next video. What do you think? Ping! Or Pew. So good, so good, so good, so good. I'm gonna pick them up, SJ. Ah, yes. Ah. Vroom, zoom, zoom. Anyway, SJ, I think we should go. I want coffee.